Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Airbnb refund not received. First, check your booking details and cancellation policy to confirm that you're eligible for the refund. Next, check the refund status in your Airbnb account under the trips or payment section. Keep in mind that your refunds can take several days to process depending on your payment method and bank. Then check your email for any confirmation or updates from Airbnb regarding your refund. If the refund is delayed, contact your bank or payment provider to see if the transaction is still pending. Now, if you still have not received your refund after the expected time, contact Airbnb support for assistance. That's how you fix the Airbnb refund not received. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.